Did you know that you could have a heads-up display for your third generation Toyota Tacoma that looked like it came straight from the factory that way?
Right.
Today I'm going to show you how. Let's take a look at the KTJO 4x4 heads-up display. We're going to review this, we're going to unbox it, and then we're going to install it. Let's get busy. Alright, let's take a look at this. So this is a heads-up display from KTJO 4x4. You can see what it looks like in the garage. So there is a minus button, an OK button, a plus button. But if you hit either the minus or the plus, you can go through the different options you have here. So this is miles per hour. That is engine temperature. That is the current voltage. That is GPA, and that looks like it's just RPMs. That is kilometers per hour. And now we're back to miles per hour. So one thing you notice, if you can open up the door, you can see that it will let you know someone's got a door open and which one it is. You've got left turn signals, right turn signals. We're going to drive down the road a little bit and check out and see what it does. Now one thing you can do is if it is off with your mileage on your truck, what you can do is hold down that minus button and then you can adjust the speed to match. Okay, we're in reverse. You can even see that it picks up when you're in reverse. This is what it looks like in sunlight, direct sunlight. From a driver's perspective, this is what it looks like, and that's what it looks like in the shade. You're going to need a ratchet with a 10mm socket with extension. Alright, let's unbox this. So that piece goes under the steering column. That's the heads-up display. And if you have an earlier Tacoma, that just plugs into the ODB port. Right here you've got the squeegee, plastic trim removal tool that you'll need, and the reflector for the heads-up display. So if you have a 2019 to 2023 Tacoma, you will have to remove the bottom portion of the steering wheel column, and all you have to do is turn the steering wheel to the left, and there's a screw on the steering column, and then turn it to the right, unscrew the screw that's on this side, and then that will just pop off. Take out the screw, and then let's level it back out. Turn it off. Remove this trim piece here. Make sure your battery's disconnected because you are going to be near the airbag. That's absolutely imperative. I really don't have to worry about it because I have a battery kill switch and I have turned it off. So I have no power whatsoever to the Tacoma. But we're going to pry this one piece off first. There you go. And then it pops out and you've got a little piece right here. And this is a 10mm bolt. Let's take that out at the side. And then you will pull out, then pull up. Alright, step 2, we have to pry this piece off here. It includes the cover for the speaker and for the air conditioner. So there's 3 spots. There we go, there we go. And then we will not be needing this again. So that's it for step 2. Alright. Next step, pull up on this trim because we are going to be removing the lower dash. Alright, we just pull down. Just pull down right here. And then it will just pop off. There we go. Let's unplug the switches. I do not recommend taking this out. It is a beast to get back on. That's for the hood. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. Okay, so we have the heads-up display, and we now need to run this wire down here to the lower dash. So what we're going to do, and this is the way it comes, we are going to take this off, push down on that, pull out. You can see the slot that we're going to run it down through right in here. And we're just going to drop it down, come out here. Let's put this over here for now. Okay, I have it. We'll just pull that on down. Just snap this in, and that's all there is to it. The instructions say if you have a 2019 or newer, you want to remove the steering column, but I found out that if you have a 2018, you'll need to remove the steering column. I think this was made in the latter half of 2018. This is a TRD Sport, so we don't have to take this and plug it into the ODB port. We can actually take this off and plug and play this with the extra harness. So that's what we're going to do. So let's take this out. And let's plug that in. Take this, plug that in. Then we'll take this, run it through here. So we just plug that in right there. Now let's get some zip ties and zip tie this up. Right, now let's put everything back together. Start with the dash. Then we'll move up the arm over there. Push down, push it. And you can see the microphone and the stinger identity up there. Lay this down. Spray a little bit of water. Shop towel here. Let's start it up. Move that out of the way so we can see well. Move this around. I would move this down as far down as you can just to keep it at low profiles. Let's go ahead and get the water out with the squeegee. Just like window tint. Wipe off the excess here. And we're done. Let's test this out. Okay, so we're going to test this out. Let's rev up the engine. Alright, left turn signal. Right turn signal. Let's open up our driver's side door. Yeah, this thing works. Looks great. Let's go take this thing for a spin. What do you say? Thanks for joining me in this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.